Hi, this is Jay Jennings with Headliner, and today we're going to be taking a look at performances up here in the nav bar. I'm going to click that, and this shows a list of upcoming and past performances. You don't have to move them from one to the other. On June 6th, this Casa de Paz public show will show up down here in the past. To create a new performance, click the Add Performance button up here. The only thing that is required is a name and a date and time. You can also enter the audience size and what are you going to be performing there. Choose one of your set lists here. Over here on the right, there are also spaces for the contact person's name, phone number, and email address, and then some notes that you can add for the venue, and then any additional notes that you want to put in here. As I left the information kind of sparse, that is all that'll show up for this one. So let's go back to one of these shows. One of the things you can also do is this shows the set list you're going to be using, but they've called and they also want some walk around. So I'm going to go and add a second set list, my casual anywhere. And so now I know which sets I'm doing at this show. There's also something else here that is optional up here in the list of buttons. You see booking checklist. If you're the kind of person that does things like sending out contracts and things like that, you can use this, but this is completely optional. You can set some of these to NA if they are not applicable for what you're doing. And as things change, you can go from no to yes, save this, and back out here on the main list. You'll see for this show right here, pre-show stuff, I have 4 of the 9 tasks that are done. I don't have scores for any of these others because this is a feature that was added about 15 minutes ago. Here in the past, you can see that this one needs finalization. What does that mean? It says that I used the casual anywhere set list here, but when you finalize, it puts all of those things up there and you can click save if that's exactly what you did. But for this one, I actually performed Sightseer right there. Now I save this and it'll show me exactly what was performed. That way, if I change my set list in the future, this is still accurate. Now you can see that both of these past performances have been finalized.